This is Miss A, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to access Teams and how to manage the platform. My screen's going to look a little different than yours because I'm using a Mac computer, but all of the applications that I'm going to use are going to be accessible to you on your Chromebook. So here is my mouse. I'm going to start by clicking Google Chrome, which should already be pre-downloaded on your Chromebook. I'm going to start at the Syracuse City School District homepage. I'm going to scroll down to the library icon and click. Then I am going to go on my left-hand side and see the section that says Clever and click again. From there, you should be signed into Clever and be able to see this page. I then want you to go onto your left-hand side and click Miss Avella's page. On this page, you're going to find links to all of our Microsoft Teams meetings. So we'll start off by clicking Microsoft Teams. It's just loading. So the application is going to want you to either sign in, or it's going to give you the option to use the web app. Once you are all signed in, you should be brought to this page where it gives a list of teams. The only team that should concern you is mine, Miss Avella's 5th grade class. When you click, you'll be brought here. So we are only going to be using Teams to meet together as a class. All of your assignments will be on Seesaw. So if you take your cursor and go over to the calendar, you should see a bunch of listing times: our morning meeting, our content time, our ELA whole group, our math whole group, and our semi-synchronous learning time. This schedule is subject to change, and our ELA and math times will be broken up into small groups as well, but this is what it should look like for your first week of school at least. So if we just go back to the Clever page, you should be able to see a bunch of other icons: morning meeting, content time, ELA whole group, math whole group, semi-synchronous learning, and Fun Friday lunch. You should always refer back to your Clever page with these applications on Miss Avella's page to be linked to any of these times. So at 8 a.m. when you're up and ready to go to school, you're going to come to this page and click the morning meeting icon. That'll bring you to this page where you can either open Microsoft Teams if you have the app, or you can continue on this browser. Either works. You can click whichever. If you have Microsoft Teams already downloaded, just press open Microsoft Teams. And if you don't, just continue on this browser and then you'll be able to meet with me. Since I already have the app, I'm going to click open Microsoft Teams. It's just loading. And here is my profile picture and the morning meeting. Here's me. And you can turn off your camera like that, turn off your mic like that, and click them back on. We'll always be keeping them on. And then you will press join now to join the morning meeting or whatever meeting there is to join at that time. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please message me on the inbox on Seesaw, or you can text or call at 631-617-0552 if you have any questions.